Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable game mode on your REALME GT8 Pro. To enable the game mode and increase the overall performance of your device without actually launching any game, you're gonna have to open settings on your device and then open battery, then here find GT mode and switch this toggle to the right, then select turn on, and the game mode will be enabled. And now the overall performance of your smartphone will increase. However, you can also do that from the game that you're playing. You can either launch the game from the home screen or you can launch it through the game assistant. So you can open the game assistant application on your smartphone, then launch game, and then open the game assistant menu by swiping it from the top left side of your screen, and here you can enable the GT mode by selecting it on this bar. Then you can also increase the frame rate of the game and the graphics quality and also the resolution. Then you can also adjust your gaming performance by customizing the clock speed, for example, or adjusting display settings or controls, network settings, etc. And so yeah, that's basically it. The main thing is enabling the GT mode, and the rest is just additional settings. And if you want to disable this mode, go back to the battery menu in settings and disable GT mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.